I was not expecting like from literature subject.
What is this?
It is types of.
And we have made the project on this topic proper. You can see that types of noun, and there are 5 types of nouns. First one is proper, second one is collective, and the third one is common, and fourth one is concrete, and the fifth one is obstructive.
This is my project which is based on the topic of water purification, which purifies the water in 3 stages. First one is room, second one is tank, and the third one is water, and then purifies the water as well as it can be. It can only purify the water in unfavorable conditions. This is my project, the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process which warms the earth by trapping the heat from the sun. It works as a blanket around the earth. It consists gas like carbon dioxide, methane, and the that is human heart, which is the muscular and vital organ. Hello, this is Newton's cardinal. It is made by Martin J. Morris, but it is named as Newton cardinal because it is based on the principle of Newton. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sharbir Singh from class 9B and this is the working model of the lift.
What is this?
Tension is a one step about the time at which this accident or anything happens. Tense type of this.
रॉ गैस होता है उसे रॉ गैस कंटेनर में स्टोर किया जाता है which basically contains
What is this? Explain this project.
global warming. So this is the global warming, and global warming is a increasing of temperature due to human activities, and also transfer the increase in temperature mainly due to human activities and primarily fossil fuels, but trapping greenhouse gases.
Okay, so this is old and new civilization. It represents the difference between the old and new civilization.
This is our dam with which we help our farmers who are providing water for their irrigation. We use water from this dam for agricultural as well as industrial purposes, such as for conducting electricity. First is right to equality, which implies that everyone should have equal rights and they have equality before law. Second is right to freedom, which implies that everyone has freedom to go anywhere where they want to. Third is right to religion. It means that every person have the right to follow any type of religion which they want. Fourth one is constitutional remedy, which implies that if anyone violated our fundamental rights, then we have to go to Supreme Court.
Once again.
So our project name is gender inequality, and all genders or women should have equal opportunities and they should be treated equally in our societies. We are trying and practice to create a society where all women have equal opportunities and they should be equal in terms of education and employment. All women, especially girls, should have equal opportunities.
This project is on taking water from democracy. Democracy is a form of government where children are elected by the people, in which voting rights are given to all citizens who is above 18 years old, and there is election held in a democracy. Good morning everyone. My model is on sectors of Indian economy. There are 3 sectors of Indian economy. First one is primary sector, second one is secondary sector, and third one is tertiary sector. Primary sector is the sector in which raw materials are extracted from natural sources, and secondary sector is the sector where raw materials are converted into finished goods. Like in primary sector, we extract cotton from cotton crop, and in secondary sector, cotton is converted into cloths through manufacturing in industries. And third one is tertiary sector, where services are provided and where finished goods are sold to the customers. Thank you. Hello sir, I am Priya Dubey, and we are the students. I am a student of class 10A, and this is our project which is on tidal energy. In tidal energy, we use water tides to produce and generate electricity, and we use in our daily life.
Okay.
Good afternoon. I am Palak Patel model of class 11th math. We are representing here the application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry is very useful for our daily life. We use trigonometry everywhere, and you see the application of trigonometry everywhere in daily life. Here we are representing the some things just like house, tree, and some pool. We are seeing house in our surrounding, trees our surrounding, and pool everywhere. So by the help of the trigonometry, we measure the height of our house without using any measurement. We find the distance of our tree or any object from where you standing without using the measurement. Only the help of the trigonometry.
Good morning, I am Nisika Solan. Today I am here standing to present the math project of class 11 math. It is a product based on the statistical graph. In this graph there are three types. First is histogram, bar graph, and pie chart. Histogram is the graphical representation of a data, and pie chart is a circle chart. It is also known as a base summarizing of a data. And bar graph is a type of graph in which we represent the pictorial form of vertical or rectangular form.
Good morning all of you. Myself Anjali Yadav, and today I will show you. Good morning, my name is Anjali Yadav, and today I will show you the word of mathematics and how math is very valuable and important to us as we use it as in our daily life, as it is important for critical thinking, calculation, arithmetic, and many more. We have made our project on the basis of math of 9th chapter of 11th standard. So this is a statistical way to represent my project in which the central tendency is mid-median mode, that is known as the central tendency, and this is the trigonometric ratios to describe the length and size of trigonometry.
My name is Hari Pratap Singh, and my project on part of circle, in which the all part of the circle are described. There are many types of parts: center, segment, radius, chord, sector, diameter, circumference, secant, tangent, and arc.
Good morning, sir. Myself Saurabh from class 11 maths. This is my project quiz board. There are formulas written on it, and you have to match it correctly. And if you match it correctly, the slide will glow like this. This is not glowing, so it is a wrong formula. This is wrong formula.
Working model project.
Yes. The slide is glowing, so it is correct formula. Like if we place here and here, the slide is glowing, so it is a correct formula.
Nice.
Good morning, sir. I am Ayush Trivedi, studying in class 11th math. Our group has made a 3D model on how to prove the area of circle. As you can see, the circle is divided into 8 sectors, which are then divided into further rectangle which has length pi r and its breadth is r. We know that area of rectangle is length into width, which makes pi r square, which is the area of circle.
Okay.
Good morning, myself Sami Tiwari. I am a student of class 8A. I have made a project on math subject. The topic of my project is math bar, in which I have seen the things, how many things are there in math. Just like acute types of angles, in which acute angle is less than 90 and right angle is exactly at the 90 degree, and the obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, and last one is straight angle, which is exactly at the 180 degree. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Myself Palak Pandey. I am a student of class 8. My project is related to math subject, and the topic is math square. The square number is the result of multiplying an integer by itself. For example, the square number is 36, and because 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Good morning, sir. Myself Shagun Singh, student of class 8B. This is my working model on algebraic identities. Algebraic identities are the formulas for solving algebraic equations easily. For example, a square plus b square is equal to a minus b plus b. Good morning, sir. Myself Pratika Singh. I am a student of class 8. Today I am here with my working model polygon. Polygon is a closed figure which is made up by 3 or more line segments. Is called polygon. Polygon has 4 types: regular, irregular, concave, or convex.
Good morning, everyone. This is my working model on the project and how we can change the measuring units into further more type of units. Basically, we know about meter, centimeter, and kilometer, but in this project, I have tried to explain about more types of measurement units. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am a student of class 7B. My project is on type of angles, in which we can find about which angle is equal to how many degrees. Like this is acute angle, if you press this to the acute angle, then bulb can see that this is an acute angle. And this angle is a right angle. If the bulb is glowing, we can see that it is a right angle.
Good morning, sir. This is Shraddha Singh and this is Harjeet Kasoda. I have made a project on Master of Chess Mukesh. He is 18-year-old and he has made a history by becoming the 18th World Chess Champion. Some of the things which we can learn from Mukesh are mental fortitude, humility and gratitude and respect for the country and religion. Thank you.
Thank you.
On the topic of women safety in India. As we know that women are not safe inside or outside. Simplifying the four destinies, Hamlet, Macbeth, Lear, Othello. William Shakespeare, he was born in Stanford, Avon, England. He was known as Man of Avon. He was born on 23 April 1564 and died on 23 April 1616. He was married to Anne Hathaway and had 3 children. The name he was.
We are students of class 12. We have made the project on all the summaries of English.
So we are the students of class 12 mathematics. We have made a project of continuous tense. Continuous tense are of 3 types, then continuous tense, past continuous tense.
We are the students of class 10A. This is Ayush, head of this project, and I am Bharat Kabiri. This is the project rainwater harvesting. In this, we collect the rainwater and we filter it and then we store it for future use.
Yes. Tell me about your project.
Let's now first I made the thermocol, like cut the thermocol to square shape and paint the thermocol brown, black, white colors. Then I make a boundary with the help of thermocol paste.
The name was History of Indian Coins and Currencies. These notes and coins are used in 1945 to 2025, and these notes and coins are very expensive, but the coins and notes value was low. The oldest note was a 100 rupee note. This was launched in 1970 by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and banned in 2017. And this 2 notes was very new, was launched by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Thank you, sir.
Good morning everybody. My project name is Sustainable Development. Under this project, development is occurred by without harming the nature. And this project is mainly aimed to protect the nature and grow trees. So there is a power लकी गारमेंट है
Tell me about your project.
Morning, sir. We have made solar drip irrigation system. We have fitted a solar panel here, which light the street lights here, and we have made a system of drip irrigation. This is water tank in which water is here, and there is a pump which pump water to the soil. Soil gets moisture, and we transfer the soil into plain agricultural land where we can grow crops. This is the form of irrigation in which least water is used.
Sir, good morning. This is Solar City. In this Solar City, the solar panels consume energy and then transfer it into the city, and the city run in the solar energy.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Rita Swalika and we are making waste management and recycling. So, in the process of waste management and recycling, it used to use the technique that we used to set up and design to reduce the waste amount in the landfill.